So let's talk about wreaths, how to hang wreaths, how to put wreaths up, and that's what we're going to hit on. So first off, we need to make sure the wreath looks good. You might need to have a fluffer to go in and fluff these wreaths to make them look better, and it will make the wreath look a lot better for this. Before we climb up the ladder, you want to make sure that you have tested it. The last thing you want to do is go up the ladder and it not working. So now that we have it working and tested, the next thing that we're going to do is we're actually going to tie this and put some, we have one here, but on this house, it is going to be higher up. And so we have to, I'm just going to tie it in here. A way that I like to do it is just come in here. I'm not doing nothing special. I'm just going to go here and I'm just going to go around it 2 or 3 times. Once I go around 2 or 3 times, that is what I'm going to do here. Then the other thing I need here for the wreath is I have the gun, a gun, and I have a screw. You do want these screws kind of long. You want them to be a deck screw. If we are dealing with the wood, you want it to be a deck screw. I like them to be about 3 inches long just to make sure that I'm going to hit something inside there. I'm going to screw this in, not all the way in. I'm going to leave a little bit out. And so that way I can make sure that I'm able to get this done. So as we climb up this ladder, it is one of those things that I'm going to kind of hold this toe as I climb up it with my 2 hands. So that way I can make sure I have 3 points of contact all the way up the house to get this done. So I am going to have someone put the ladder right here to make sure that this ladder don't kick out on the concrete here. Last thing I want to do is fall. I'm going to get the ladder, the wreath up here. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tie it down right here until I get my screw done. Because I don't want this ladder, I don't want it to fall. So I'm just going to give it a quick tie so I don't have to go up and down the ladder 3 or 4 times. The next thing, I want to get this, most houses have a 2x4 or a 2x6 that runs all the way up here and down. If I get into this, there may not be nothing behind that. I want to put it in at an angle, so that way it gives me a better, I'm holding the board here. Again, we're just going to screw this in. I'm going to get it in pretty far because I want it to make sure it don't fall out, but I also don't want to go too far where my line is not. Now, on this house is a little bit difficult because I've got this light right here, so I'm either going to have to make this long and cover it, or I'm going to see if I can get it high enough. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it high enough, so I'm going to have to leave this long and then put that lamp right in the middle of this wreath. So again, I'm going to unhook this here like so, and I'm going to start undoing it. As I do this, I don't want to make sure I drop the wreath, because if you drop the wreath, they'll become oblong and they don't work very good. So again, I'm going to use my hand now to hold that, be able to get it undone. And I'm going to bring this up here, use my ladder, not around my ladder. Once I get my wreath up here, I'm going to ask my ground guy. Actually, I probably need to go up, because I can tell it needs to go up. So I need to get it right to the bottom of that light. Does that look good, ground guy?
Yes.
So one thing I'm going to do is I'll usually cut the extra. If not, what I'll do is I'll just bring this down around here. I'm not cutting this and I'm not wrapping around the screw, because if you wrap around the screw, when I come to take down, I can't get this down. So I'm just going to make this nice and neat and wrap this around here for my wire. Means I left it long. I knew that I needed it long because of the way this was down here at the bottom. So I'm going to put the extra down in the wreath, so that way you don't see it. I don't want it down in the wreath. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my male cord, my female, I'm actually going to run it around the back side of this here. I'm going to run it down here, be able to power my cord in the back of this. Somewhere in the back of here, there should be a plug. All the lights work. Obviously, I'm not going to leave this big white thing. I'm going to put that back down underneath there. Make sure everything is good. I'd probably make sure that this is a little bit longer. Get that behind there. make sure the wreath looks good. Looks good. We're all tied up in there. Looks like it. I got some paper in behind there, so I'm gonna go back up and just shove this into the wreath so you can't see the paper. Come back down. Got it. Looks amazing. And that, my friend, is how you hang a wreath up there.